education based on Indian nationalism, but in an inclusive sense of Indian nationalism. So my time is over, and the points I wanted to give are also, I think I've been able to present before you. I'm really thankful to Principal March for inviting me to be here in this institution which is very close to my heart. And also, this 150th birth anniversary of Sister Nibedita, it's a great blessing, because I must honestly admit, I had not seriously studied Nibedita's works earlier. This occasion made me look deeper into Nibedita's works, and there's a vast treasure, especially for an institution like this, like Sikshanamandira, which is a teacher education institution. Nibedita has given a lot of ideas, practical schemes, which are of great use and relevance for teacher education. So with these few words, I take leave of you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.